So we have a story in today's paper about the new Supreme Court ruling in King v. Burwell about the subsidies that people get for purchasing health insurance on the federal exchange. Here in Florida, everybody who purchases these policies uses the federal exchange because the state hasn't set up their own. So the case was really about whether or not people in states like Florida that haven't set up their own exchange can continue to receive their subsidies. So the court ruled that yes, they can continue to receive the subsidies, which I'm sure was a very big relief to about the 36,000 people in our two-county region who have plans that they purchase on the exchange. The subsidy roughly comes to about $300 a month for people. So on average, people pay about, I think it's like $80 a month for coverage, and that varies by income level. In Florida, we had the largest number of people in the country sign up for marketplace plans and receive subsidies as well. There was 1.3 million people in the state of Florida. So the decision was a relief for those folks, and we'll continue to watch what happens with healthcare policy going forward.
Big day in sports tomorrow. In the newspaper, we're going to have the all-area girls tennis team. We're going to have a 7-on-7 photo gallery from a tournament in Venice that takes place tonight, and the Women's World Cup game quarterfinal between the U.S. and China. We'll also follow up on the NBA and see who did well in the draft.
It's the weekend again, and there's a lot going on even though it's the middle of summer. The Powerboat Grand Prix gets started this weekend with a golf tournament on Saturday and a car show in Lakewood Ranch downtown from 10 to 3 p.m. on Sunday, so you should check that out. There's also Youth has a big cabaret thing going on Saturday night if you want to benefit them and hear some great singers sing about, I don't know, what do cabaret singers sing about? It's a good question. Rachel, what do you think?
All sorts of fabulous things.
I guess so. But then there's also Lucha Libre Espectacular on Saturday night, where you can see Mexican wrestling. Brian Bradley, a great comedian from Orlando who does improv and comedy all at once, is doing a show at McCurdy's all weekend long, and there's plenty more. You can find it all in Ticket this week, or you can go online to ticketsarasota.com. Have a good weekend.